hard over.
All engines stop.
Somebody please help us!
Goodbye, have a safe trip. See you on the other side.
Look out there, Mildred. Nothing but open water until New York.
It is breathtaking, isn't it? I do hope the weather holds for the crossing.
Isn't the woodwork simply exquisite, Charles?
It is indeed a testament to fine craftsmanship.
Oh, I can hardly believe it myself, Arthur. What a story.
I shall raise the ant by £50.
Indeed. A rather bold move, old chap.
Be careful with those marbles, Mijo. Don't lose them. At least it is warm.
Yes, we are lucky to have passage. Did you hear about the storms ahead? You truly believe the crossing will be swift?
With this vessel, my dear, we shall be in New York before we know it.
And I told him, my dear fellow, the Atlantic simply isn't large enough for both of us.
Oh, Charles, you are dreadful.
Your champagne, madame.
Thank you. We were just admiring the sunset.
Hard a starboard! Hard over!
Aye, sir. Hard over.
All engines stop! Then full astern.
Get back, quickly! What on earth was that? Good heavens, did we hit something?
Get up the ladder, quickly! It's flooding!
Help me, I'm slipping!
The water's rising, move! Get up the ladder! We're going under!
Get back!
All passengers on deck immediately. Take your life belts this way, please. Hurry now!
Hurry! Please, hurry!
Steady on, everyone. Women and children first on the port side. Fill the boats completely. We must remain calm.
Steady. Load the starboard boats now. Women and children first. Quickly, please. Head for the upper decks. Quickly now.
We must get to the lifeboats.
To the upper decks.
Well, that's not good.
Lower away, smartly.
Careful now. When we reach the water.
Women and children first. Make way, please. Women and children first. They're all still on deck.
Row faster!
Clear that gangway now.
Help! Somebody help us! Hold the line. Women and children first. Up this way. Oh, God, help us! Hurry! The lights are going out.
Don't look back!
Run! The water is rising fast. Hurry! Move! Run!
Don't stop! Keep going! Help me, please!
Grab my hand, quickly! We have to keep going up. The water's coming in, run!